In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can do an animation in Keynote on the Mac. So this is the kind of thing that you can do. So this is my slide here. So as I go through, we get a nice animation. Okay, and there's the end of my animation. So what this is 4 different slides here. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how you can recreate this on the Mac. There'll be another video that will show you how to do this on an iPad as well. Let's create a new presentation, and I'm going to go to my presentation here and choose the black one. Now the first thing I need to do, I want to make this widescreen, because if I want to use it with a video, then I don't want 4:3 standard, so I'm going to choose 16:9. And then I'm just going to delete those. Now this is our blank screen. So now what I want to do is start animating. So let's start with a shape. So I'm going to stick a shape in here, and let's make that shape just a little bit bigger. All right, and possibly let's put a triangle in here. Let's change the format of the triangle, maybe to a red triangle, and let's make this one like this. And finally, I'm just going to put some text in here. This is called Magic Move. Okay. All right, so I'm just going to include that. Let's put it down there. Okay, so there's my first slide. Now what I need to do is I need to copy this. So let's take this slide and copy that and then paste. Okay, so we've got a duplicate slide. So now on our second slide, we want to make some changes. So let's change this to a little bit of maybe just like this. And let's put it under there, and let's make our like that, and we're going to change the text, and I'm going to change the text to a bigger text. So let's double the size there. Oh no, double the size to 100, and move that to there. Okay, we could put some more in if we wanted to. Alright, so now let's go back to our first one, and I want to animate. And then I'm going to add an effect, and we're going to animate with Magic Move. So let's choose a Magic Move. And you can see there how that animation actually worked. So we can preview that again. There we go. So the animation is going from here to here. And then what we can do is we can add another one. So what we want to do is we duplicate our second slide, and then we create that one. And on our third slide now, let's change the slide again. So let's change that there, and let's make that thinner. Let's have a tower there, and Magic Move, I'm going to move that to here, and let's make it a much bigger text format. Let's double it, maybe make it through, oh, let's say 200. Okay, so move that down. And now, if we go back to our second slide and we click on Animate again, add effect, Magic Move, and let's see what happens. There we go, it's making this nice animation. And we can do this. So what we're doing is we're duplicating the slide, changing the new slide to how we want it to look, and then applying the Magic Move animation. So let's go to the first slide and play this full screen. And let's click through these to see this lovely animation. And there we go. Okay, so that's how you animate. Now, if you want to turn this into a movie, then what you need to do is you need to go up to File, Export, and then we're going to export it to a QuickTime movie. And we want it self-playing. Now, depending on your choice of how long you want between the slides and the effects, I'm just going to choose 1 second there between the slides, and I'm just going to choose 0.5 seconds there. We're going to go with a 1080p, and then let's go to next, and it's going to ask us to save this now. We'll just save it there. So let's call this Magic Move and put it in my movies folder. Export. So that will export now. So let's look at our movie. It's a Magic Move, and then when we play that, and there is our animation. So that's how you use Magic Move in Keynote on a Mac.